Do you want money? Do you want money? How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? When is school over? When is school over? Has he failed again? Has he failed again? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Will she come? Will she come? How long will it take? How long will it take? Who is playing the guitar? Who is playing the guitar? What is over there? What is over there? Can you help me? Can you help me? Do you like snow? Do you like snow? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? When will they arrive? When will they arrive? Where will we meet? Where will we meet? What will you do on Friday? What will you do on Friday? Has he arrived already? Has he arrived already? Will you go by train? Will you go by train? What do you need? What do you need? Is this your bike? Is this your bike? Didn't you go out? Didn't you go out? Had something happened? Had something happened? Would you like to wait? Would you like to wait? Who left the door open? Who left the door open? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Can you answer this? Can you answer this? Do you like snow? Do you like snow? Can you tell me the way? Can you tell me the way? Did you speak at all? Did you speak at all? Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? Can't you speak English? Can't you speak English? Are you ready to go out? Are you ready to go out? Are you all right? Are you all right? Where can I get a taxi? Where can I get a taxi? Why are you looking so sad? Why are you looking so sad? Did you see him go out? Did you see him go out? Can I see that one? Can I see that one? Can you come? Can you come? Has he come yet? Has he come yet? How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow? How is your dad? How is your dad? Will you please help me? Will you please help me? Can I eat this? Can I eat this? When can we eat? When can we eat? May I use your pen? May I use your pen? What do you want? What do you want? Which of them is your brother? Which of them is your brother? Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Could I park my car here? Could I park my car here? Where do you live? Where do you live? Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? May I borrow your car? May I borrow your car? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.